In this Wix website tutorial, let's take a look at how to change the regional format of your website. So this is like the units of measure or the date and time and how they appear. Now if we go and select and edit a certain site, we just need to get to the dashboard of that site. In the lower left, we're going to find settings, and then we need to find language and region. So inside of language and region, we'll actually see this area called regional format. Now on the right-hand side, you can see the formats preview here. So like dates, short dates, numbers, currency, and even measurements down here. So if we were to change it from, let's say, English to something else, I'm just going to click on one. We should see some of this change depending on the region. So for instance, under measurements now, instead of the imperial system, we now see that the metric system will be used. So anywhere on your website where these come into play, date, time, the measurements area, that is where the regional format will affect. And then you can click this blue button to save the regional format once you make your changes. And that's how you can change the regional format here on your Wix website.